What if humans evolved underwater instead of on land? If humans had evolved underwater instead of on land, we wouldn't look like anything you recognize today. No feet, no hair, no lungs like this. We would be something almost alien, a species shaped by the ocean, not the Earth. Today we dive into a world that could have been. Millions of years ago, human ancestors crawled out of the water, adapted to land, and later evolved into primates. But imagine if those first early mammals never left the ocean. Instead of learning to walk, we would have learned to swim. Instead of lungs shaped for air, we would have evolved bodies built for pressure, motion, and speed. Our world, our entire history, would be completely different. Let's picture how our bodies might have changed. First, lungs. We would still breathe air, but our lungs would evolve into enormous elastic chambers, able to trap oxygen for long periods. Deep dives would be effortless, hours instead of minutes, just like whales. Second, skin. Our bodies would become smooth, dark, and hairless. Hair slows you down in water, so evolution would erase it. Our skin might even develop a layer of natural oil to protect against pressure and temperature. Third, the eyes. Human eyes underwater would grow large and reflective. We would see clearly in near total darkness, detecting shapes and motion in deep, murky water. Our world would be shades of blue, silver, and black, glowing with shifting light. And bones? They would become flexible instead of rigid, light instead of dense, perfect for swimming, not walking. Legs would stretch into long, fin-like limbs, powerful and fluid. Over thousands of generations, a tail might even form, turning our entire body into a precise, elegant swimming machine. But it wouldn't just be our bodies that changed. Communication would be completely different. Speaking underwater doesn't work like on land. So language would evolve through sound and light. Clicks, whistles, pulses of pressure, maybe even bioluminescent flashes. Imagine glowing conversations, ripples of color and motion flickering through the dark. We wouldn't sound human, we would sound more like dolphins, echoing through endless blue space. And what about society? What about civilization? Underwater humans wouldn't build cities from steel or concrete. Instead, we would carve homes into coral reefs, volcanic stone, and underwater cliffs. Tall towers made of living coral, glowing with algae, drifting gently in the current. Technology would be built from shell, bone, stone, and bioelectric light. Our agriculture would be forests of seaweed and fields of algae, waving in the current like underwater grain. Every part of life, from culture to family to war, would exist in 3 dimensions, not 2. We would rise, fall, turn, and glide through our environment. Distance would feel different. Time would feel different. Even gravity would feel like a distant memory. But we would lose things too. There would be no fire, no metal smelting, no engines, no walking, no sky, no stars. Our entire civilization would float, drift, and swim beneath a ceiling of shimmering light. The surface, the world above, might feel like a myth, a story told to children. Underwater humans would be something beautiful, powerful, and nearly unrecognizable. Our world would glow in darkness, stretch into endless depths, and change everything we know about what it means to be human. So now the big question, if underwater humans saw us today, would they still call us human? Or would we be the aliens? Like the video and subscribe for more mind-bending what-if stories.